Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, Gigi Faison, and guys, I welcome you into my home as today's video is part of a collaboration where we are coming together to share with you how to use your lanterns in your home, your office space, how to style them out, how to decorate them for the holiday season. Now, I'm your host here at this channel. But this collaboration is hosted by two of my beautiful sisters, and that is Anna of the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor and Penny over at Styling at Penny's Place. I will have their channel links in my description box below. So guys, as this is a collaboration, you know what you should do now. Pause my video, go grab your coffee or tea or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit back, relax with that remote control in your hand. Hopefully you got your comfy, cozy clothes on. Turn on your fireplace, get you a little bit of heat going on, especially if it's cold, wet, rainy, or snowing, and just enjoy the content that we are bringing to you guys. We are hoping to give you lots of ideas as to what you can use your lantern for this holiday season. Now guys, if you're new to my channel, I do take this time to say I welcome you. If you want to be a part of, it's easy. Just make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you tap that notification bell twice so you will always be notified of any and all up and coming videos on this channel. For those of you that continue to show me so much love and support, I give you great big hugs and tell you thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, guys. Continue to watch as we continue to create this beautiful lantern. Now I'm going to start here with my very industrial looking lantern, and it is one that I purchased from Michaels several years ago. Yeah, you see it's a little dusty, needs to be wiped down, and I will do that, but like I said, it was in my stash. And so this was one of those that when Michaels had that 90% off sale. I didn't need it, but it was nice and the price was good, so I bought it. So now we're going to build upon it. We're going to add a little bit of faux snow around it. We're going to add a little faux snow on the inside. This little candle holder here is one that I purchased from the Dollar Tree several years ago. I added a little embellishment to it. So we have it here inside, and we're adding a little bit of tinsel into that, sprigging it a little around. We're going to serenade you with a little bit of just holiday decor and just holiday happiness, y'all. I'm just with the holiday happiness. So guys, this little tree here is one that I picked up from the Family Dollar. So I'm just going to insert it. It was so cute, it has a little wooden base to it. But I'm just going to insert it here. So guys, continue to watch, continue to enjoy to the music. Again, I'm your host. If you want to be a part of this family, it's easy. Just hit the red subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell twice. And I would love for you all to just give me that big thumbs up right here and right now.